Modern branding teams now have unparalleled clarity around brand assets and guidelines, bringing seamless on-brand collaboration with our integration with ChatGPT. Now let's learn how to set up your own GPT Brand Guardian. Let's start with opening OpenAI GPTs, followed by Create GPT choice. Now let's switch from Create mode to Configurate mode. Let's continue by giving our Brand Guardian a name, followed by description of it and avatar image. Next, we will need to copy and paste a block of text from step-by-step written instructions on the Corebook website. This will serve as a guide for our Brand Guardian on how to interact with you. We do need to make one small change in it by renaming brand with our own name of brand. Next, we need to select only web browsing from capabilities options, followed by creating new action. In this new window, we will need to copy and paste schema code from our brand on Corebook. We can find it by heading into Brand Settings, then ChatGPT AI menu, and grabbing Copy of Action schema code. Now we can head back to ChatGPT and paste it where we left off. Next, let's customize the authentication option by changing it from None to API key and authentication type to Bearer. Before we can click Save, we do need to head back to Corebook and grab our unique GPT Bearer key. Now that we have copied and pasted Bearer key, we can click Save. We're almost there. Last thing to take care of is Privacy Policy Link, which we can also grab from written instructions on Corebook website. Now, that should be all. But before clicking Save, let's test it and give it access to speak with Corebook API. And we are done. Let's save it, and with that, have successfully set up our very own GPT Brand Guardian. Start training your guidelines model. Try to create starting phrases and talk with your GPT to adjust how you want to get advice grounded in your brand identity guidelines.